Has this ever happened to you? Bad breath is the biggest turn-off to the person you're talking to, and it can take a toll on your confidence and affect your everyday interactions. It can occur due to a number of reasons such as certain health conditions, bad habits, or eating malodorous foods, just to name a few. The main reason though is the bacteria that builds up on the back of your tongue or in between your teeth. In times like these, a mint may not always do the trick. So, here are 5 effective solutions that will help you fight off bad breath. The best way to minimize bad breath is to use an alcohol-free mouthwash post-brushing, as it helps to kill off the germs and bacteria that have been in your mouth through the night, which ultimately cause bad breath. Or mix a cup of water with a teaspoon of baking soda along with a few drops of antimicrobial peppermint essential oil. This solution changes the pH level in your mouth and fights odor. Gargle well with this solution and you will feel ready to take on the world. Some kitchen staples are just magic and not only taste great but also get rid of that nasty breath no one likes. So, reach into your fridge and grab some fresh parsley, basil or mint leaves. The chlorophyll in them helps neutralize the odor in your mouth. Who knew that greens would come to your ultimate rescue in a stinky mouth situation? The easiest and the most effective remedy in treating bad breath is to have plenty of water, preferably cold water, to swish your mouth. It prevents dry mouth that leads to bad breath or halitosis. This habit will help you stay fresh every morning and keep bad breath at bay. Brushing teeth in the morning and at night is just not enough. Your best bet is to invest in floss along with a good tongue scraper, which scrapes the bacteria off your tongue. The tongue is where most of the bad breath causing bacteria live, and using a scraper helps you get rid of just that. Simple and effective. Since your toothbrush gets all the beating, it's important to change it every 2 to 3 months, as the germ built up on it harms and causes more bacteria to grow in your mouth over time. Make sure to buy a toothbrush that has soft bristles, as they do least damage to your gums and give you a beautiful, healthy smile. Yes, we all know it's a sore subject, but it's high time we address it for the betterment of our health and combat bad breath once and for all. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.